Hello student. Today we will learn about plants, our green friends. We all know that there are so many parts in plants and the functions of the parts also. So we will learn about the parts and their functions of a plant. So let's move. See, what are plants? Plants are living organisms that need food, water and air to survive. But have you ever seen that plants are moving around here and there and chatting with each other? No, na? So plants cannot move from their places. It is fixed inside the soil. See, here is a tomato plant and we will describe the parts of this plant. See, the upper part of the soil is called stem. Yes, and from stem there are leaves comes out. See, small branches and green color leaves coming out. And see the lower part of the soil is called roots. Okay, root is the anchor of the plant and stem is called the support system. The leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Why? We will describe. And the fruits and flowers are most important part of a plant as these are the reproductive parts. See, the root. Why the root is called the anchor of the plant? The root is the part of the plant that grows below the ground in the soil, serving as the foundation of plant life. There are so many functions root performs. Those are root performs multiple important functions that keep plants healthy and stable in their environment. And the most important thing is anchorage. That root fixes plant firmly in soil. Absorption. Root takes water and minerals from the soil. And soil protection, that root prevents soil erosions also. So root is one of the most important part of a plant. Without root, the plant cannot live. Next, there are two types of root we can find. One is taproot. See, one primary and stable root and small hair-like roots coming out from the main primary root. This is called taproot. Okay, this is called taproot. And in cases of mango tree, banyan tree, we can see this type of taproot. But where we can find fibrous root? See, these are fibrous root. Small hair-like fibrous roots are there inside the ground. We can see maize, rice, banana plant. We can find this type of fibrous root. Next, the stem, the support and transport. Stem is one of the most important part of a plant. The stem rises vertically from the ground. See, the stem rises vertically from the ground. And in case of large trees, the stem is called the trunk of a plant. The stem is called the trunk of a plant. Trunk of a plant. There are so many functions that performs by the stem. Those are the stem provides structural support and serves as the transportation system for the plant. The stem holds the plant upright to the soil. The stem carries water and food, and also the stem carries so many leaves and branches. Next, the leaf. Leaf is called the food factory. I also said that leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Why? Because leaf make food for the whole plant. there is a green pigment that is called chlorophyll that we can find inside the green leaves. It helps the leaves to make food for them. Okay. See, leaves are thin, broad, flat green pods attached to the stem by stalks called petioles with the veins running across them. A leaf contains chlorophyll that gives leaves that their green color and absorbs energy from sunlight. Through this energy from sunlight, leaves can make food for them. Chlorophyll's job is to capture sunlight, energy needed for making the plant food. Next, this process, the food making process is called photosynthesis. The food making process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants turn water, sunlight, carbon dioxide into oxygen and food. A simple sugar called glucose. See the reaction? Okay. And see, the leaves are taking carbon dioxide from the air and released oxygen to the air. So plants are so helpful for us that the most important thing of a human being of any animal, we need oxygen to live, and that gives by the plant. And see, water from the soil is coming, is going uh, through the roots to the whole plant. Okay. Next, transpiration, releasing water. Leaves helps in transpiration. Okay, leaves does transpiration. How? We will discuss. Leaves helps plants get rid of excess water through a process called transpiration. Okay, so excess water leaving is called transpiration and keeping the plant cool. The process is water vapor escapes through tiny openings called stomata. See, there are so many small holes. Those are called stomata. And it helps in transpiration. What is the benefit of this process? Keeps the plant cool and helps pull water up from roots to the leaves. Okay, very good. Next. See, fruits, flowers and seeds. These are also we get from plants. So, flowers, often the most beautiful part of plant. It contains reproductive organs for producing fruits and seeds. So, without flowers, we cannot get fruits and seeds. Okay, and the flowers is called the most beautiful and most attractive part of a plant. It contains reproductive organs and produce fruits and seeds. Okay. See, through seeds a new plant can grow. Yes, a full new plant can grow. Fruits and seeds. Fruits contains seeds which play an extremely important role in growing new plants. Fruit contains seeds. Seeds grow new plants, and this is very essential for the reproduction. Okay, we have done for today, and now tell me the green pigment name of the leaf that helps to make food in plants. You all know that is chlorophyll. Okay, we will discuss more in next class. Thank you.